म्हापसा डांगे कॉलेनीत जो 22 तारखेक जो ब्लास्ट जाला तेजेर मातशें ब्रीफ करता कितें जालें
22 तारखेक सकाळी 5:50 थंयसर हिलटॉप शॉपान डांगी कॉलनी धुलेर हांगासर एक ब्लास्ट जालो. आमकां कॉल येयले. PSI गौरव नायक थंयसर गेलो. फायर एक्सिडंट रेजिस्टर केलो. त्या ब्लास्टान थोडे मोटरसायकली आनी सम फ्लॅट्स वर इंजर्ड आनी सम फ्लॅट्स वर डॅमेज. सो फायर एक्सिडंट वॉज registered आणि इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन was taken up by PSI Gaurav Naik. During the investigation, we wrote letters to all the concerned departments like fire department, electricity department, to come and inspect the premises to find out the reason for the blast. So all the departments, relevant departments conducted inspection. We also conducted joint inspection along with fire brigade officials. And today, that is on we received a report from fire department stating that the fire was caused because there was a leakage in the hose. Hose is means the pipe which connects the regulator and the cylinder. So there was a leakage there, and the hose which was used was a local hose which is not ISI marked. So we have that hose along with us, along with the regulator. They have given in the report that it is because of negligence of the owner that the blast took place, as the gas leaked from the hose and vacuum was created, and because of some spark there was a blast of high intensity. So we have registered a case today under section 285, 336 and 427 read with 34 IPC against Ramkrishna Chandrakant Mahekar and Pramila Ramkrishna Mahekar. We have arrested both of them. They are sent for medical examination, and further investigation is going on with PSI Viraj Kurgaonkar under the supervision of HDPO Mapsa Juba Dalvi and SP North Shri Nidhi Novalsa.
सो आता तांकां अरेस्ट केल्लो आसा. सो हेच्या फुडें जे रेस्टॉरंट आसा ते बंद उरतले ओ इट वील गेट स्टार्ट.
Restaurant बंद उरपाचे. We have written to all departments, various departments like excise, food and drugs, to check. Restaurant बंद करपाचें पुलिसांचें काम न्ही. We will close down if stipulated time period कोण चड तेणी चालू दवरीत जाल्यार वील क्लोज, नाजाल्यार आमच्या ज्युरिडिक्शनान येना ते.
अशें आयकून येयलेलें आसा की ताचो जो टायम आसलो तो लिमिटाच्या भायर आसलो. 3 जायसर तो चालू दवरतलो.
3 तेणी बंद केले एज पर CCTV फुटेज. बट तो भितर चालू जालेले तेजे साफ करता ते खबर ना. तें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता.
फायर इंटेन्शनली लावंक ना तेजे.
ना these sections are not for intentionally. These sections are for negligence. And here sections are because of negligently वागलो तो. तेणी सारके प्रॉपर केअर आणि अटेन्शन घेवंक ना ऑफिस मटेरियल.
ओके, बट एक्सिडंट म्हणटा पूण केअर घेवंक ना म्हणजे तेजेर तो सेक्शन जालो.
नेग्लिजन्साक लागून.
ओके, नेग्लिजन्साक लागून एक्सिडंट जाला. ओके.
सो अरेस्ट करून आतां कितें कस्टडीन दवरतले.
ना अरेस्ट करून जर बेलीक बी घालीत जाल्यार श्युरिटी फर्निश करीत जाल्यार बेल